In this video, I'm going to help you adjust your download settings on the Opera Mini browser app. This is going to help you find stuff you download using the Opera Mini and the rest. So to do that, tap on the Opera Mini logo, bottom right corner of the screen. And now we move to settings here. Good. So here we just scroll and then we move to downloads. So you can see downloads here, just open that. So good. So this is the download folder. So when you download something from Opera Mini, this browser is going to get into this folder. So allow. So now you can choose any folder of your choice. You get it. So you can create one. So just tap on this here. So it takes you to your phone, something like that. And now let's come here and you select your preferred folder. So I'm using an LG, so I just select a preferred folder like this. And good. So on this section, I'm going to choose the download folder here, and then I select that here. Good. So now I'm going to download stuff into that download folder on this mobile phone. And now you can turn on this to ask before trying to download anything from Opera Mini, and your concurrent downloads, that's stuff you can download simultaneously. So you can make it 3 for fast downloads. If you want a very fast one, you make it only 1, 2 downloads, one at a time. And you can pause downloads and all that. These are all edits you can do yourself. You can read and do them. So that's it on how you adjust your download settings and find stuff you download on Opera Mini. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.